Welcome back. I am Aarush Dixit, the developer behind the Mediolegal portal. I have built this to bridge the gap between offline medical legal documentation and to seamless integration and collaboration. So, without wasting the time, let's get started and let me guide you through this portal. So firstly, we have to click to this access terminal button, and when you will click this, here you will see two types of account, admin user and normal user. So if you are the admin of the hospital, then you have to click on admin user and create a hospital ID, and note that this hospital ID would be provided to the staff members. And here in admin user, let's say we have some XYZ hospital, so let's say this, and we create a id such as this xyz test1, and here we go, and xyz test1 as the rate gmail.com, and then a mobile number. So let's say we give a mobile number to this, and here we go, and a password, so 123. And I have successfully submitted this, and now I will submit this form. And here we go, we have just created an admin account. So if we want to give this to our staff, then you can simply go and ask your staff to create an account with this. And for staffs, here we go, and let's say we have a staff named John Doe and our hospital ID, and let's say we give a random email. So I will fill up the form, then I will show you this. So I will simply give a password here, and this would create an account. So now we have successfully created the account, and let's create a new case. And here now you have to give a medical legal ID, and this ID will be used for searching, and you can write the format that whatever you like. So let's say case slash 2026 slash Ramesh. This is just a sample ID, and there we can go and create a case. It is successfully created. Go to view details, and there we have to put a case type. So let's say it is police medical legal, and place of examination, so emergency, and these details would be given to you and you have to fill up. So let's just give something such as this, and let's say patient name. There we go, and fill up some random data, and that age, let's say, is this is for date of examination, so we have to choose the date of examination instead of DOB. So let's go just down here, and let's just go to February and 16, let's say, and age is 25, and here we can simply select the gender and father's name, and patient address, let's say this is this, and it is brought by, and any mark of identification, let's say black mole on face, and nature of injury blunt force, 2 days, and if we can say we have no opinion, then any, and the doctor who is examining will be given to Dr. Spiro. So let's say Dr. Sanjay Tiwari, and headline would be your hospital name. So let's say district random and the knife, then the weapon used. So let's say knife or a stone. So we can say, if we don't know the exact, then we can say a sharp weapon. And details of injury, and we can add the details by adding the rows. So let's say number, and let's say number of size 3 plus 4 on face, and we can add as many injuries as we want. And we can go everything here. So let's just save this, and here we have successfully created this. Now for if we have verified the details, then we can simply go to status and click on verified, and then go down and save changes. This means we have successfully verified the status. And now you can also download its report. Click here, and this will just show you the preview, and you can print it. So here we have successfully created a demo, and you can also save this. So let's just go back, and let me show you the admin dashboard now. So we have successfully created this case, and we can log out from here. Let's just go to login and admin dashboard. Here we go and put our ID and the whatever password we have done. Here you can see medicolegal ID by that person, and here is who created this, and status and date. You can also download or view details, and if you have confirmed, then you can simply go here and close this. It can also be done by the normal user account. So if there is any review, then admin can simply do that. So the case has been closed now. So this was the demo of my medicolegal portal, and if you like this portal, then please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.